Here's a way you can learn how to manipulate the wind in under 3 minutes. Today I'll be discussing the usage of hand motions. So while this is an ability that uses your mind, using your hands serves as a physical extension of your intent and your breath control. It allows you to interact directly with the air and amplify your control over the air currents while enhancing your connection with the wind as well. They'll serve as tools to help guide and direct the wind. By using hand gestures, you can amplify your control and synchronize your mind with the aerokinesis process. So one of the ways is by syncing your breath and your hand motions. As you breathe, try to coordinate your hands with your breath. For example, when you inhale, raise your hands. As you exhale, lower your hands. Try to visualize the wind responding to your intentions. Using your hands, you can visualize pathways and shape out air currents. Try to imagine that your fingertips are tracing the wind's trajectory, directing it with purpose. Try to have the fluidity of your hands mirror the fluidity of the air. Using your hands also provides you a sensory feedback. You get to directly feel the air's resistance and its flow. This connection will help enhance your awareness of air currents and their responses to your control. Pay attention to how the air interacts with your hands and try to adjust your hand motions accordingly. Try to use your hand motions to amplify the intention behind your actions. For example, more dramatic hand motions might create stronger winds, while gentle hand motions might create gentle breezes. Allow your hands to become direct conduits for the wind's expression. Another method is using your breath to sync with your hand motions and the wind itself. For example, when you inhale, raise your hands or extend them in the direction you want the air to move. As you exhale, lower your hands or bring them closer to your body. This synchronization will help align your physical movements with the flow of your breath, and it'll help create a unified force for aerokinesis. Achieving synchronization does require a bit of mental alignment as well, and clear focus. Try to clear your mind of distractions and focus entirely on your intent, your breath, and your hand motions. Your thoughts should be centered on the wind and its response to your actions. Let me know if any of these worked for you in the comments. Hope you guys have a great day.